Alright guys, welcome to the first of your history notes. This video is going to start with the Paleolithic era, and we're going to end with the Neolithic. Okay, so this starts with what is called prehistory, which, as we've already discussed, is the time before writing. Right now, the humans, the people on the planet before we have writing, or during prehistory, are the early hominids. Okay, these are the first humans, which are believed to have originated from Africa. Okay, you have Australopithecus, which is considered your southern ape because they stood upright and walked on two legs. After that will come Homo habilis. They are called the handyman because of their use of stone tools. You have Homo erectus. They're called that because they walk upright. Okay. They learn to control fire, and they begin to migrate. Homo sapien would be called wise man. All right, they migrate around the world, not just in a small area. They migrate worldwide, and they will use a wide range of tools. Okay, now we're going to focus on the migrate around the world. When people migrate, they are considered nomadic or nomads. Nomads are hunters and gatherers. That's how they get their food. The men will usually hunt in groups, and the females will gather. That would be berries or fruits or whatever you can find out in nature. Okay, hunting or gathering in small groups makes finding food easier. You don't want to go by yourself because it's more dangerous. You don't want to go with a large group because you're not going to catch anything if all your animals can hear a massive group of people. And you don't stay in one area very long. You continue to move and follow your resources. They use simple tools and fire. They finally develop their own language, and they begin to bury their own dead. Now, they're going to do this until what we have, it's called the Neolithic Revolution. This is when people begin to give up their nomadic or migrating ways and begin to settle in communities. Okay, these communities are settled by fertile river valleys. Okay, because the word fertile soil means your crops are going to be able to grow easier. And we'll discuss all of the crops and the various things in class, but you're also going to have more protection and transportation via the waterways. Now, domestication, this is the selective growing of plants and animals to make them more useful to humans. Example, sheep or cows, things like this. We're going to select specific animals or plants, grow them, and use them for food or other various things. And now your Neolithic era. This is when the farming starts. Okay, the Neolithic Revolution leads to, as you saw in your timelines, the Neolithic era. The Paleolithic era is now done. We have farming, domestication of plants and animals. We'll begin to settle in villages and will increase activities and trade. We don't have money or any type of monetary system, so we're going to trade in items. Okay? So tomorrow you will watch another video. We will discuss civilizations and what makes up, or the 7 characteristics of civilizations.